The scale is flying up even though my app says I'm under calories. The math makes no sense. That's not laziness. That's not denial. That's someone staring at numbers and thinking, what the hell is happening? Because on paper, it should work. You tracked, you weighed, you hit your target, you did the math. So why is the scale climbing? The math isn't broken. You're just mathing the wrong thing. You've been taught that the body is a calculator. Calories in, calories out. Eat less, move more. Deficit equals fat loss. But that equation assumes something massive. It assumes your metabolism is static. It assumes your hormones don't adapt. And it assumes stress doesn't matter. It also assumes your sleep, inflammation, gut health, thyroid, insulin are all irrelevant. That's the smoke and mirrors. You're solving for calories when the real equation is your hormones. You're staring at all the inputs but ignoring what controls the output. When you chronically undereat, your body doesn't just burn more fat. It adapts. It lowers output, conserves. It increases hormones. It holds water. It shifts thyroid, can make you colder, flatter, tighter. And that water retention alone, that can swing the scale 3 to 7 pounds without a single ounce of fat being gained. But your app doesn't track cortisol. Your app doesn't track inflammation. And your app doesn't track glycogen shifts and a lot of other stuff. Here's another thing that no one explains properly. Every gram of glycogen you store pulls 3 to 4 grams of water with it. So if you've dieted hard, depleted yourself, stressed your system, and then you finally eat a bit more, the glycogen comes back, water with it. The scale jumps. Not fat, water. But because you were trained to worship the math, you panic. The math makes no sense. No, the math makes perfect sense. You just weren't taught the whole equation. The body isn't a spreadsheet, it's a survival organism. And if you approach it like a calculator, you're always going to feel betrayed. Because the real drivers aren't the numbers you log. It's insulin, thyroid, nervous system, inflammation, muscle mass, sleep quality, food quality. You can be under calories and still be overstressed, and you can be in a deficit and still be hormonally resistant. You can follow the math perfectly, and your metabolism is still suppressed. Then we blame willpower, or age, or genetics, or my metabolism is broken. No, it was never repaired. And that's the real issue. We keep trying to manipulate intake without restoring function. We micromanage numbers instead of looking at the whole system. And when you step back and you see the full picture, when you understand glycogen, water, stress, thermogenesis, hormonal signaling, the scale stops being confusing. It actually becomes predictable. That's the payoff. The game isn't calories. The game is metabolic health. And if you understand the game, you stop being a victim of the scale. And if you don't, you'll keep asking, why doesn't the math make sense? It makes sense. You were just never shown the full formula. And once you see it, you stop fighting your body and you start fixing it.